Hello everyone, I'm sorry this video is kinda late. No, I haven't been watching any anime, but I have been watching Punchmention's new YouTube video.
I'm never going back here unless I got some fucking backup. Maybe Sir Shiny can help me.
How about you suck my fucking dick? Now, of course that hardly even fucking counts, since the video is like 3 minutes long. But still, I have no excuse. I'm just fucking lazy. Anyways, I do still hope you guys enjoy this video, and yeah, then I'll see you in the next one. Jesus Christ, that was fucking awful.
I wish a terrorist would walk into my claymore mine. I just laid at the door. Yes, I actually killed one. Just when I said that.
Yeah, it's great that you killed some with the claymore. Holy shit!
Oh shit!
You're using the hostage cover.
Yes, it works every time. Oh, what the f- How many more are of these fuckers? What the fuck? Oh my god, what the fuck, I did not even expected him. There are tourists down somewhere here and I cannot see them.
I'll get them.
But I know they are. Okay, you know what? You carry the hostage, I'm gonna stay back here.
Ah, one of them died. Are you kidding me, Punchmention?
I'm fucking done, dude.
Don't waste your self-revive, let me do it.
Until I aim with my weapon, it takes 10,000 years.
You kidding me?
And 5,000 years on fire.
Leave me alone. Don't you dare! No! Go! Go away! Ah!
Oh no, Dr. Freeman, don't get CBT'd.
Ah!
Ah, you're more like a woman.
Ah!
When she's in bed and she has 20 fucking black dildos up her ass. Which 19 of them are 20 meters long.
Oh fuck! No! What the fuck?
How many are coming for you? They all want this old booty. Oh, what the fuck? Huh? No, I knew it, I fucking knew it. Yeah, what did I say? Yeah, see, what did I say? As, you know, I knew it's never ending, you know? This is what
Maybe the objective wasn't clear.
I dropped the fucking...
He sees the drone!